Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are hereby to present a very vital topic that has the potential to save countless lives. Organ donation is a selfless act that can bring hope and healing to those suffering from terminal illness and injuries. Despite its importance, many people are unaware of the impact of organ donation or have misconceptions about the process. In this presentation, we will explore the facts and benefits of the organ donation. So let's work together to raise awareness and promote a culture of generosity and compassion through organ donation. Now coming towards my own personal contribution in poster making, that I did the pencil sketching, painting and the drawing. After that, now my each group member will explain the poster and will tell their own contribution.
Definition. The definition of organ donation is the surgical removal of organ from the donor person to the recipient person. The transplantation is necessary because the recipient person has a shared organ by failure or by damage in their disease or injury. So donation is referred to as donating an organ tissue. The donor will be living or dead. They just have to be source of organ for the purpose of transplantation. And my contribution is to the gathering the material and lamination.
Next one, types of organ donors. There are 4 types of organ donors: living donor, dead donor, cardiac death, and brain death. First one, the living donor. लिव्हिंग डोनरमध्ये पार्ट ऑफ ऑर्गन किंवा पूर्ण ऑर्गन आपण डोनेट करू शकतो. लाईक लिव्हर रिसेक्शन आपण शिकलो की 80% ऑफ लिव्हर रिसेक्ट केलं जाऊ शकतं आणि ते रिग्रो होऊ शकतं 6 ते 12 मंथ्समध्ये. त्याचप्रमाणे किडनीही आपण पूर्णपणे डोनेट करू शकतो लिव्हिंग डोनर थ्रू. त्याच्यानंतर आहे डेड डोनर. डेड डोनरचे मोस्ट ऑफ ऑर्गन तो लॉ वगैरे बनवल्यानंतर तो डोनेट करू शकतो. थर्ड वन इज द ब्रेन डेथ. ब्रेन डेथमध्ये इट इज अ इरिव्हर्सिबल और कम्प्लीट लॉस ऑफ द ब्रेन, ज्याच्यामध्ये तो पेशंट रिकवर होऊ शकत नाही. असे व्यक्तीसुद्धा डोनेट करू शकतात ऑर्गन्स. फोर्थ वन इज द कार्डियक डेथ. कार्डियक डेथमध्ये हार्ट बीट्स आर स्टॉप्ड. त्याच्यामुळे जरी हार्ट स्टॉप झालं असलं तरी बाकीच्या ऑर्गन्सही फंक्शनमध्ये असतात, कार्यरत असतात. तो व्यक्तीसुद्धा ऑर्गन डोनेशन करू शकतो. आणि माझं कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन आहे लिटल बिट स्केचिंग, पेंटिंग, शेडिंग अँड इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्शन.
List of organ donation. One healthy person can donate up to 8 organs, and these are kidney, liver, eyes, heart, lungs, tissue, bone marrow, etc. After grafting, the lifespan of each organ is different. Heart can 10 to 15 years, kidney 10 to 12, and lungs 5 to 10 years. Everyone is talking about organ donation, but no one tell that they want कि वो खुद donate करना चाहते हैं. इन उर्दू एक बात है कि नेकियां ऐसी करो कि खुदा खुद अकेला गवाह हो उन नेकियों का. I really wanted to donate my life. That my contribution is painting.
Drawn organs, and I gave a good idea of outline for the poster, and I am going to tell you about the procedure. There are many procedures like assessment and evaluation, organ donation, matching, surgical procedure, and post-operative care and long-term like follow-up. In assessment and evaluation, there like recipient evaluation and donors evaluation. In recipient evaluation मध्ये जो रिसीव करणार आहे ऑर्गन
तर तो पण केपेबल आहे का रिसिव्ह करण्यासाठी हे बघितलं जातं. आणि डोनर इव्हॅल्युएशनमध्ये जो डोनेट करणार आहे ऑर्गन तो कोणत्या डिसीज आहे का त्याला, तो पण सुटेबल आहे का डोनेट करण्यासाठी हे बघितलं जातं. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज ऑर्गन डोनेशन. ऑर्गन डोनेशनमध्ये लिव्हिंग डोनर अँड डिसीज डोनर. लिव्हिंग डोनर म्हणजे जो जिवंत आहे पण त्याचं फील होतं, म्हणजे त्याला इच्छा आहे की डोनेट करायची ऑर्गन. मग ते ऑर्गन डोनेट त्याचं बघितलं जातं की तो स्वतः हेल्दी आहे का ऑर्गन डोनेट करायच्या अगोदर. आणि नंतर मग त्याचे पण काही टेस्ट वगैरे केले जातात. नंतर डिसीज जो डेट आहे तर त्याचं ऑर्गन डोनेट करायचं आहे. तर स्पेशली जे डिसीज डोनर जे आहेत त्यांच्यामध्ये ब्रेन डेथचं ऑर्गन रिट्रायल केलं जातं आणि त्यांच्या फॅमिलीकडून कन्सेंट फॉर्म प्रोव्हाइड केलं जातं. आणि नंतर मॅचिंगमध्ये डोनरचे जे ऑर्गन्स आहेत ते पोटेन्शियल रेसिपियंट त्यांच्यासोबत मॅच केलं जातं. आणि सर्जिकल प्रोसिजरमध्ये जसं की ऑर्गन रिट्रायवल अँड ट्रान्सप्लांट सर्जरी. ऑर्गन रिट्रायल म्हणजे सर्जरी करून ऑर्गन डोनरच्या बॉडीतून रिट्राय केलं जातं. आणि ट्रान्सप्लांट सर्जरीमध्ये एक जो रेसिपियंट आहे त्याच्या बॉडीमध्ये त्याला ऑर्गनला ट्रान्सप्लांट केलं जातं. पोस्ट ऑपरेटिव्ह केअर त्याच्यामध्ये मॉनिटरिंग केलं जातं रेसिपियंटला की त्याला काही सायन्स दिसतात का रिजेक्शन वगैरे. आणि लॉंग टर्म फॉलोअपमध्ये रेग्युलर चेकअप केलं जातं की ते जे ऑर्गन त्याच्या बॉडीमध्ये रेसिपियंटच्या बॉडीमध्ये ट्रान्सप्लांट केले ते रेग्युलर फंक्शन करते का.
I and Shreya have done writing work on the poster. So here are no caste, no bark, same rights, donate organs. It has a very deep meaning. That means organ donation knows no caste, no racism, no religion, no boundaries, no creed. It's just a gift of life which we can learn without any hesitation and without any fear. So we don't have to end your life with a full stop. Be an open donor and let the braveness save everyone. I am Shreya, done the writing work, and I have provided this quote. You were born with the ability to change someone's life. Don't ever waste it. So in today's world, we hear that we should help ourselves first before helping someone else. To some extent, I believe that to be true, but I also found it to be true that helping others. One of the best way to help others is to spend our time in helping others. So we all have the opportunity to help others by donating organs and make their life more beautiful. So one should not waste it. Now Srishti and Ashwini will let you all go through the PPT presentation and also tell their contribution poster presentation. So already
One second, you have to say something.
Preservative time first on 4 to 6 hours. Lunch का 4 to 6 hours. Kidney का 15 to 36 hours. और मैं आपण 2 डे पर्यंत ट्रान्सप्लांट करतो. प्रॉपर प्रिझर्वेशन प्रोटेक्शन. आपण मला एक असं की जसे एक आपले ऑर्गन खराब होते ते खराब होऊच नाही तरी त्याची आपण काळजी घेतली पाहिजे. त्यासाठी आपण दिनचर्याचं प्रॉपर पालन केलं पाहिजे. योगा मेडिटेशन.
So already my friends have told you about organ donation, but let's go through PPT and highlight some major points. So here, as you know, one body can save up to 8 lives and improve 75 more. Like if one person donates his or her organs, we can save up to 8 lives. And the first human organ transplant was kidney transplant in 1954. Definition: organ donation is process of surgically removing an organ or tissue from the donor and transplanting it successfully in the recipient. There are 4 types of donors: living donors, deceased or dead donors, brain dead donors, in which the brain has stopped working completely but the organs can be retrieved successfully; cardiac death, where the heart stops beating but we can remove the organs and transplant it into the recipient. So this is a graph. This graph is showing us how globally organ donation has been increased. So due to this, our India have launched in 2015 a campaign known as Let's Get Organized, in which it has started publicly awareing in colleges and school about organ donation. List of organs which can be donated: liver within 8 hours, kidney within 72 hours, heart has no age limit to donation. The heart will be transplanted within 4 to 6 hours. Same as lungs and eyes and cornea. Bone marrow transplant is a medical procedure in which diseased or damaged bone marrow is replaced with healthy bone marrow from a donor within 1 to 2 hours. Let's look at the law. The THOA law, the Transplantation of Human Organs Act, which was established by India in 1994. The law have the law, THOA law, Transplantation of Human Organs Act, which was launched by India in 1994, which aims to prevent the illegal organ trade or organ trafficking. This states 5 points. Regulation of donation. Consent is a very important thing to be taken from the donor. The donor should be willingly able to give the organ to the recipient. Second, establishment of authorizing committee. Some authorized committees are already established to prevent illegal trafficking of organs. Third, penalties for violation. Under Section 18, the illegal trade of organs has stopped. Regulation of hospitals. Hospitals performing transplants must be recognized and follow Act. Now, the public awareness. As I said, the campaign Let's Get Organized have been launched to do public awareness. I want to share some experience after making this PPT and poster that we are all going to die someday. एक दिन ये लोग मैं आप सभी मरने वाले हैं. उसके बाद देह या शरीर वो पूरा यूजलेस हो जाता है. लोग एक दिन याद रखेंगे that he or she was kind or something. तीसरे दिन सभी भूल जाएंगे. So for making our शरीर useful in some other's body, we should donate our organs so that वो उसके डेथ तक याद रखेगा कि he or she helped me with his organs donation. Further, Ashwini will continue with the PPT.
Procedure. The procedure for organ transplantation involves several steps: assessment and evaluation, organ donation, then matching, surgical procedure, post-operative care, and long-term follow-up. Long-term follow-up, regular checkups. First of all, diagnosis, then referral, family discussion, then medical evaluation. Both recipient and donor medical evaluation is important. Then matching, surgical recovery, then preservation and transport, transplantation and aftercare. Aftercare मध्ये immunosuppressive medication केलं जातं. त्यामध्ये पेशंटची इम्युनिटी जी प्रिव्हेंट केली जाते आणि त्यामध्ये ती प्रिव्हेंट करण्यासाठी कॅल्शियम इनहिबिटर्स अँड को स्टिम्युलेटरी ब्लॉकर्स अशा पद्धतीचं यूज केलं जातं. Some advantages and disadvantages means problems facing. Advantages: save lives, improve quality of life, reduce healthcare costs, advanced medical research, enhance lifespan, and reduction in organ waste. Problems: risk of organ rejection, immune response, surgical risk, procedure complication, long-term health risk, medication side effects, emotional and physiological impact, stress and anxiety, ethical and legal concerns, acceptance issues due to the religious beliefs. Thank you.
In our poster, we have shown that a donor is giving his life to a recipient. After taking a new life, a recipient, how can he or she live his or her life beautifully or ideal life? This life word itself says, L says love unconditionally, I says inspire others with your presence, F says forgive and forget, E says embrace every moment with the gratitude. Namrata will conclude all this in a short word.
श्रेयाने सांगितलं जसं की नो कास्ट नो पार्ट, म्हणजे अर्बन डोनेशनमध्ये आपण कोणतेही रिलिजन किंवा सामाजिक जे जाती धर्म आहेत त्या व्यतिरिक्त सोडून हे अर्बन डोनेशन आहे या सगळ्यांपासून फ्री आहे. कोणताही व्यक्ती ऑर्गन डोनेट किंवा रिसीव करू शकतो, म्हणजे सगळ्यांना समान हक्क आहे. तर मी एक छोटीशी 4 ओळींची जी गीत आहे त्याच्या थ्रू आम्ही एक छोटासा मेसेज देऊ इच्छितो. धर्म जाती प्रांत भाषा द्वेष सारे संबुदे, एक निष्ठा एक आशा एक रंगी